everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. I'm going to make this a quick one. We're going to try and do another bloom on a 12 by 16 oval canvas. I'll be using my white house paint and a whole bunch of different pigments that I have pre-mixed. I won't go through all the colors, but they are the primary elements pigments. And I've also got some of the Porridge Posse paints as well. I can show you a couple of jars of those because they're close by, if I can remember where I put them. Like that right there. Beautiful paints to use. Christina Welch Art. She sells these paints. This one is the Bubblegum Shimmer. Go check her out. Definitely worth spending a little bit of money. Actually, her prices are really good. And she ships throughout the US. I'm in Canada. Shipping is a little pricey for Canada. For everything that I got, it was around $45 US to ship, which I got 4 of these jars. And I got 5 different colors of her ready to pour stuff. So it is a little pricey to get to Canada, but well worth it, you guys. This paint is awesome. Okay, let's get on to doing, I'm going to do a swipe bloom kind of thing. And probably do a couple of little square ones as well. So stick around because there'll be a couple of paintings. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already. And everybody that's my regular, thank you so much, you guys. Love every one of you. Keep those comments and thumbs up coming. Okay, Greg's going to put some music on. And let's just have some fun with paint.
It's you that I'm seeking when I dive into your eyes. You don't have to put on a face or to impress. Forever I'll be there and I'll walk the way. I'll pray for your love. Not go astray, but you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. I'm a man of action, but I've been defeated by time. So much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. I saw God in your eyes. It was enough to get by. I tried to hold on and stay the night, but you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that.
My heart's been ripped wide open. So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stop playing goalie on all of my thoughts, yeah. Speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood, yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free, to set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open.
Take a breath, you're not yet drowned. Be grateful for the bottom floor, the scattered dreams on the ground. These tears have had their say. Oh, don't you know that everyone in their darkest hour feels this way? But these things will all blow over in the end. all blow over with the wind. I'll take a stand and walk the line. Brought you back like Nick and Jack. Now, how's that for a sign? All these fears have had their say. Oh, don't you know the confidence comes from knowing that we're all this way? But these things will all blow over in the end. These things will all blow over with the wind. When it changes, it'll bring some comfort to you, and you just might sing a song exciting and new. Yeah.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.